Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to create a job. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a job post that will attract the right candidates for your company. To get started, log into your dashboard and then click on Create a Job. This will take you to the job creation form where you can begin filling out the details for your job post. First, enter the job title that accurately reflects the position you're hiring for. Then, select the contract type from the drop-down options, such as full-time or part-time. Next, choose the working environment that best fits the role, such as remote or on-site. Then, select the industry that the job is based in and country where your company is located. Finally, add the city from here. Once you have entered the basic job details, set the salary range that you're willing to pay for the position. You can also add any bonuses or commissions that apply to the job. Also, make sure to check whether equity is available or not. After you've added the financial details, drop your job description and our AI will summarize it for you by highlighting the key points the candidate wants to see. List the hard and soft skills required for the role, such as technical skills or communication skills. Press Save or Enter after each skill to add more. Then, add the benefits of working with your company, such as healthcare benefits or professional development opportunities. You can add more benefits by clicking on Add Another Benefit. Then, include any questions for your candidates that you would want to ask during the hiring process. Our suggestion is asking 1 or 2 questions that help you assess the candidate's suitability. Finally, upload a video thumbnail that represents the job role. Click Next to proceed to the next step. In this step, you can either record directly from the product or upload a video from your device talking about the role, the company, and the type of candidate you're looking for. This video can be a powerful tool for attracting top talent to your company, so make sure to put some thought into what you want to say. After you've completed the video, your job page is now ready for review. Take a few moments to carefully review the details of the job post to make sure everything is accurate and complete. Then, click Save and Publish to make the job post live on your company's job board. Congratulations, you have successfully created a job role that will attract top talent to your company. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.